going to be really easy.
Yeah.
Great.
Jay.
Jay, all right. Great. Now you know your line. You have one line and you just gave it to yourself, okay?
Okay.
So just remember that. See you, Space Cowboy. So when I point at you, that's what you're going to say.
Okay.
Okay? Let's see. Who else shall I pick on now? Oh, hey, look at you. Oh, she looks really excited. Can you tell me maybe something that someone has said to you today? Just a sentence that someone said to you today.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Perfect. Oh, I wish I had thought of that. Would you mind coming on stage for a second and helping us out? This is going to be so easy. And what's your name, young lady?
My name is Ratana.
Ratana, what a lovely name. Here, come on up. All right, stand right there. And you, sir, stand over here. And so what we're going to do is, I'm going to point at you and you're going to say your line. Your line is?
Happy Friday.
And your line?
See you, Space Cowboy.
Okay, let's practice that a couple times.
See you, Space Cowboy.
Great delivery.
Happy Friday.
Fantastic.
See you, Space Cowboy.
We're gonna have a great weekend.
Happy Friday.
See you, Space Cowboy.
We're gonna have a great weekend.
I don't know what to do with this weekend.
Happy Friday.
See you, Space Cowboy.
I don't really know what I'm gonna do between going to the space or resting on the weekends.
We're gonna have a great weekend.
I don't know what to do with this weekend.
Happy Friday.
See you, Space Cowboy.
Don't have a date show in your book.
Man, I don't really know what to do between like going to the space and resting on the weekends.
We're gonna have a great weekend.
I don't know what to do with this weekend.
Happy Friday.
See you, Space Cowboy.
Don't have a date show in your book.
Man, I don't know what to do between going to space or resting on the weekends.
And then my mom told me,
We're gonna have a great weekend.
I don't know what to do with this weekend.
Happy Friday.
Excellent. That's all. It's all part of the act.
see you, Space Cowboy.
My mom's great advice.
Shouldn't have the date on show in school.
Man, I don't know what to do between going to space or resting on the weekends.
And then my mom told me,
We're gonna have a great weekend.
I don't know what to do with this weekend.
So I decided to skip the weekend entirely.
Happy Friday.
One more time. Let's hear it.
see you, Space Cowboy.
And then my mom told me,
Don't have a date show in school.
man, I'm not sure what you do between going to space or resting on the weekends.
And then my mom told me,
We're gonna have a great weekend.
And I don't know what to do with this weekend.
So I decided to skip the weekend entirely.
And happy Friday.
And I'm gonna conduct the story. Okay, here's how it goes. Oh, yeah. So I need a suggestion from you. What is the thing that needs cleaning most?
Shoes.
Shoes. Okay.
Once upon a time, there was a pair of shoes that lived in a box.
they were expensive leather shoes.
And they had no friends. None in the whole world wanted to be shoes friends.
And they wanted to marry sandals, but they didn't have chance to.
Marry them because they were so dirty and could never.
You should. Yes, because you like it.
He'd say every day to himself in the mirror, your shoes, yes, you like it, and he would find a way.
To make them feel better. Because these shoes have really low self-esteem.
But low self-esteem should not keep you from marrying.
The Queen of England.
In fancy sandals from the best designer, and this
Designer loved the Queen of England, and leather shoes.
Were her thing. So he knew he had to make leather sandals for the Queen because
And he
didn't make the finest sandals in the land, all of the shoes would remain lonely.
You know, Cobbler, I come here every day. I still feel so lonely. They're really beautiful. You do an amazing job, but when I walk out on the street, I feel like none of the sandals see me. You know what I mean?
I get your pain. I do. But these aren't meant for sandals. They're meant for leather shoes. You're looking for love in all the wrong feet.
Oh, but my dream is for sandals.
You want sandals, eh?
I don't want to wear them.
You want to attract. You want a big, manly pair of sandals.
I want a big, manly, strapping pair of sandals.
I can help you with that. Hang on.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
It's like I look for love in all the wrong places.
I feel so trodden on. I want an owner with less smelly feet.
And less need to keep me submissive.
Yes. But no, I like submitting. I like submitting to the foot. The silk stocking of the queen.
The queen has exquisite feet. That is different.
Your Majesty, I must say your feet are radiant today.
Yeah, these sandals make it better, much better.
I'm so glad you found a man who can fulfill your footwear desires.
And I need some leisure shoes too.
At once, my queen, at once. Here, will these tennis shoes work?
Looks nice, looks nice.
Oh,
It's good. It's much for my sandals.
they are Nikes.
Hey, John. You wanna go uptown? You know, manly sandals in the upscale district?
Let's just do it.
Yeah, because those girls with the highfalutin feet, they don't stand a chance.
Oh, yeah. She's being followed by the Adidas guy.
God. I'm in love.
Which one?
Oh, both feet. I can't choose. I can't choose.
And I have the left.
Okay, I'll do the right.
You can be my wingman.
I'll be your right wingman.
Fantastic. All right, heal me.
Sandra, I couldn't even tell you, since they started strapping my boots, all of the big sandal men, they can't look away.
I know, like, I think they're gonna marry you someday.
Oh my God, do you think I'm gonna get married?
Yeah.
What? No one's literally ever said that to me before.
Well, you know, you've always been so lonely.
I know.
And like Queen Elizabeth has made this announcement.
This is why I want to marry. This is my shoe I cannot wear. Oh.
Oh my God, there goes your sandal man. Like,
I know.
he's there.
I know.
Like,
X's left and right.
Queen Elizabeth has made this announcement that all sandals and all the shoes in the world would get married to each other, and nobody would be lonely anymore.
Baby, it is so small.
I think your shoes have been multiplying in the
No,
closet. They've been
no.
having little baby shoes.
I like it, but
It's
my
a baby.
feet so big. Can you help me?
I think I can, yes.
What you can help me?
I think you need to marry your shoes.
Why?
Can you help me? I mean, I like to have hooves. Is that...
That's not going to help you.
I mean, I'm trying to create a new fashion. You know, I'm tired of all these people with sandals.
See the foot? Come on.
It's a hoof. It's a hoof. Yeah, I put nails there to make it more authentic. No?
You're never going to be a sandalman. You just need to face up to that, Jeremy.
That's why I try to create something new. Like, I call my hoofman. Who needs sandals?
Hoofman.
Hoofman.
I like that.
There you go.
Yeah, that is a selling point right
I
there.
even brought us t-shirts. We are the hoofman. And we are going to sell this. Hoofman.
Oh, hang on.
Oh my God! Oh my God! You even have the sound effects!
I am a hoofman.
Oh my God!
Those sandalmen stand no chance against me.
Queen, I've come to relay you a message.
Tell.
The kingdom has been overrun with hoofmen. They're hoofing and clopping about everywhere, trying to seduce our leather-footed women. I'm afraid that we will be lost. The sandalmen will have nothing to live for.
Why? I didn't try this thing yet.
Wait, Queen, would you like to try the hooves?
Why no one told me about this new fashion?
I know that. That's right here. I'm trying to bring it to you.
I'm sorry, I had to replace her because she wasn't good. I bring your majesty hooves.
You should put it on my feet.
I have to cut off some of your toes. Is that okay? These are my...
I want to look like them.
Aren't they? Look at it. I've been here. I am not sure.
Check out my hoof.
Look at them, Your Majesty. Aren't you happy to be overrun by such splendid hoofmen?
I need to hire them. I want them to dance in front of me every day.
Such a fabulous idea.
Hey,
Hey.
see my hoof?
Those are the bomb, man. Like,
Yo, baby. Yeah. Get down. There's hoof. You think? Can you feel the beat, baby?
that is just wonderful, but
Sandalman
you know
can't
what?
do this.
I'm like really scoring. That is wonderful, but you know, I'm so poor that I can't do those moves, man. I just have like sandals. So like, you know, I'm not sure because like they're supposed to get married, and I'm just like, I'm not sure, you know, like the sandals.
I want you to become a hoofman, okay?
Okay.
I need you. I need you to become a hoofman.
Okay. Lilia, come down.
No, I need you. I've been dreaming about you becoming a hoofman. Please.
I can. I know I'm perfect. I'm so handsome and smart. I know you.
Look, this is the queen. She sent you a text message to become a hoofman.
She's so beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, she alone? She alone?
Don't say that. Not to the queen. She's old, man. She's like 85. She's still not there.
We are gathered here today to bring together the leather-footed royalty with the cloven-hoofed man. If anyone has any objections to this union, please speak now or forever hold your peace.
Hey, we object.
Objection!
Objection. The sandals of England.
I made the hoofman. I made it.
I want new shoe. You have new shoe for me? This so smaller.
The queen is a fake!
This is the sound of a rebellion. The cobbler is here. Has the cobbler come to change the fate of these shoes?
I have, is indeed. I'm going to split the difference.
Split?
Split. The difference.
Of the hoof?
That is
No.
blasphemy.
Yes.
Of the foot. You, give me your foot.
Yes.
Good, sir.
Murmur.
Yeah.
Ah. Hoof
Yeah.
on the back.
That's good.
Sandal on the front. Hoof sandal man. I give you hoof sandal man.
Whoa, Sandalman.
Long live the queen.
Do you accept?
You want to share to me?
Yes.